Well, in this part, my teacher Parra is
Is
showing
the first
us a
notochord
Phioxus, that is
animal.
the
It means
first
that it's the first one, it's the
notochord
first animal
animal.
that has a
Okay, after the lamprey, we continue with the shark. The shark acquires a jaw, so now he can bite strong. And now is explanation of what we're going to do in that dissection. We're trying to open the stomach and the branchias, and also the brain. We open the shark. Then after the shark, we continue with the bony fish. Well, the bony fish is the one that we ate all the days. After the bony fish, we continue with the axolotl. That's well, we cannot call it a fish because it's a mix between an amphibian, because it can get out of the water because it have legs, but it is still with branches, so it's in between them. After the axolotl, we continue with the reptiles. Or reptile is a turtle, but we couldn't open the turtle because, well, everyone knows. After the turtle, we continue with the birds, but the bird that we got, it was way too small, so we couldn't. After the bird, we continue with the mammals. We have a pig. The pig is exactly like us. Well, as you can see, we opened the shark. In this moment, we are in the mouth, so we are trying to open the face to see the branches and see how they work. And they are touching the teeth. Well, the shark have a very dangerous teeth, so they're trying to be very careful. Okay, after we open the shark, we notice that it have a very big liver, like ours. Ours is also bigger, and in this moment we are trying to open the cranium. I don't think that is a cranium because it's made of cartilage. So the teacher opened it very easy, and now we're trying to see the brain. Now in this moment he's trying to explain us that the stomach, the large intestine and the small intestine are all connected in the same way, so they seems to be one, but they are not. Only that they are very compressed. After the shark, we continue with the frog. We start to open it, and we notice that it also have a very big liver, just like the shark. Then after a better look, we notice the stomach, as you can see, is also related with the sharks, but is more separately now. Now we can notice a difference between the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. After showing us the small intestine and the stomach, he continued showing us the lungs. The lungs are very big, so now he can breathe outside the water. After opening the frog, we continue with the pig, the mammals. Okay, we continue opening the pig. It was harder because now it have bones, very strong bones. But as it was a baby, it was more easy. Now the liver again is very huge. So the mammals, as us, have a liver because of the sharks. That's part of the evolution that we got. Also the brain. the brain that the sharks have are equal than us, only that they are placed in a different way. Ours, but they have three sections, so they're the same. Now they are taking out the heart of the pig. As you can see, it's bigger. That's because it is more evolved. Now the blood can be more efficient, so we're one of the most efficient ones. Okay, after see the heart, we continue with the stomach and the intestines. I think I know that you can see the difference, but they are the same. That they're still the same as the sharks, only that they are more. They market the difference that changes, but they are the same. Now my teacher just pull out a kidney, the same kidneys than ours, only that, well, they are smaller because, well, it's a little pig, but it is exactly the same than ours. Okay, as I told you before, the brain is still the same than the sharks, only that they are placed in a different way, but they are the same. They still having three parts, and the cranius is different also. So this take a little bit more time because the cranius now is made of bones, so it's harder. But I want to repeat again. The brains are the same, only that one part get bigger, one part get lower, and other part is still the same. So they are exactly the same than sharks. Okay, in conclusion, we can say that we evolved in a very good way. We evolved to be better, and we adapted to our needs, but we still having some of the things that we need, everybody need, like the kidneys and the liver. We have the same that the sharks, then the frogs, and then a pig. We have the same, that the is bigger than the brain, well, or more or less bigger than the brain, more or less. The kidneys are of the shark are large and thin because they have to establish a good balance between salt and water. And we have also a very good kidney to do the same, so we have the same things.